Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's truly a pleasure to welcome you all to today's online lecture on English for Business class with me, Ms. MASNIA RAHAYU. As we gather here virtually from different parts of the world, I want to express my gratitude to each and every one of you for joining us. Today, we gather to explore a business presentation especially about promoting product or service, a subject that holds immense relevance in our ever-changing world. Throughout these sessions, I encourage active participation and thoughtful engagement from each of you. Let us embrace this online platform as a forum for intellectual exchange, collaborations, and creativity. Together, let us embark on a journey of learning, explorations, and mutual enrichment. Thank you for joining me, and let us make the most of our time together. Business presentations and promoting product or service. A business presentation is a formal presentation delivered in a professional setting with the purpose of informing, persuading, or educating an audience about various aspects of our company. These presentations are commonly used in meetings, conference, seminar, or pitch sessions to communicate key information about the company, its product or service, strategies, goals, and other relevant topics. Target audience define the ideal customer's demographic for the product or services. The audience for a business presentations may include investors, stakeholders, employers, partners, or any other individual interests of the company. Promoting product or services. Promoting a product or service involves a marketing effort aimed to attract and persuade customers to come and buy the company's product or service by delivering the proper message to them. I have a question for all of you guys. Based on your research, why we must presenting our product or services for promotion? You can answer it. There are 3 points you must write down on your slide presentations. Here's about the content. First, please present the brief history of the company, such as the logo, establishment, and also the founder. The second one, explain the product and product specifications. And the last one is provide the audience your branding on social media. I will give the detailed explanations. First, about the history of the company. Logo. Using a logo in promoting a product is a fundamental aspect of a branding and marketing. A logo serves a visual representation of your product and your brand, conveying its identity, values, and also attribute to your target audience. A unique and well-designed logo leaves a lasting impression on customers, making your product more memorable and recognizable. There are 4 elements of a logo. First is a graphic symbol or icon. The visual elements of a logo can be abstract symbols, pictorial representations, or styled image that convey meaning and represent the brand identity. The second one, typography or text. Logos may include text elements such as the company name, slogan, or initials, often styled in a unique font or typeface to enhance visual appeal and branding recognition. The third one is about the color palette. The color scheme of the logo plays a crucial role in the conveying brand personalities, values, emotions, and color also evoke specific associations and can influence how people perceive and interact with the brand. The fourth one, or the last one, is shape and compositions. The overall shape and compositions of a logo determine its visual balance, readability, and scalability across different applications and media. And then we can continue to establishment and founder. Establishment and founder. Establishment and its founders plays a crucial role in promoting product presentations. The establishment refers to the business or organizations responsible for launching and showcasing the product to the target audience. And the founder are the individual who conceived the product idea, developed it, and brought it to the market. Their visions, expertise, and leadership significantly influence how the product is presented to the customers. They establish the brand identity, messaging, and overall marketing strategy to effectively showcase the product's feature, benefits, and unique selling product. Product or service specifications. You can mention several things, such as all variant of the product or services, the bestseller one, the ingredients or the materials, the prices of the product or services, and what is the uniqueness, what makes your product or services different from others. And you can mention about the promotions of the product or the services, such as make a giveaways, discounts, free sample for all the customers, and make a several events like a contest and sweepstakes, and also cross-selling. There are key points for branding your product or services effectively on social media. So you not only just mention your social media, but you must try to look at your content. First one is about consistent branding. Maintain a cohesive brand identity across all your social media platforms. This includes using consistent brand colors, logos, font, and messaging. Consistency helps reinforce brand recognitions and build trust with your audience. The second one is engaging content strategy. Develop a content strategy that resonates with your target audience and aligns with your brand's values. Create diverse and engaging contents in forms such as a video, image, polls, stories, and interactive posts. Focus on providing value to your audience, whether it is through educational content, entertainment, or inspirational related to your product or services. The third one is community building and engagement. Foster a sense of community around your brand by actively engaging with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and mentions promptly, and initiate conversations with your followers. Encourage your generate content by running contests, asking for feedback, or featuring customer testimonials. Building a strong community helps strengthen brand your loyalty and advocacy. And there are 5 elements of successful marketing presentations. Please make a clear objective and a message when you're doing your presentations. Define a clear objective for your presentations, whether it's to educate, persuade, or sell. Your message should be concise, focus, resonate with your target audience, clearly communicate the value propositions of your product or service and why it matters to your audience. And the second one is use storytelling technique to capture your audience attentions and create an emotional connections. Share compelling anecdote, for example, case studies, or customers' testimonials that illustrate the benefit of your offering. Craft a narrative arcs to convey your brand's personality and leaves a lasting impressions on your audience. The third one is a visual appeal. Please create visually appealing slide that complement your message and enhance understanding. Use high-quality images, graphics, and multimedia elements to illustrate key points and break up text-heavy slides. Design your slide with consistency in mind, using cohesive brand elements and a clean layout that is easy to follow. 4 is interactivity and engagement. So foster interactions and engagement with your audience throughout the presentations. Please encourage participation through polls, question and answer sessions, or interactive activities. Invite feedbacks, questions, and discussions to make your audience feel involved and invested in the presentation. And the last one is call to actions. In the end of your presentations, with a clear and compelling call to actions that prompts your audience to take the next step, whether it's sign up for a free trial, scheduling a demo, or making a purchase. Make it easy for your audience to act and the information is presented. Provide clear instructions and any necessary resources to facilitate action. Well, here is the conclusions of our materials. We are confident that our marketing strategy will result in a successful launch for our product or service. By targeting our ideal audience through strategic channels, highlighting our unique features and benefits, we believe we can establish ourselves as a top player in the market. That's all from me. You can create your slide presentations and be ready for presenting your product and services. Thank you very much and see you next time.
Lampung, the Treasures of Sumatra, is a province that becomes the gateway to the Sumatra Island. Lampung has 2 municipalities and 13 districts, consisting of 234 sub-districts. The province, with an area of 35,587 km squares, owns millions of extraordinary natural beauty. Education in Lampung province is also highly considered and colored by the existence of Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia. Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia has 3 faculties and 12 study programs. Faculty of Engineering and Computer Sciences with the 6 study programs: Electrical Engineering, Civil Engineering, Computer Engineering, Information Technology, Informatics, and Information System. Faculty of Economics and Business with 2 study programs: Management and Accounting. Faculty of Arts and Educations with 4 study programs: English Literature, Mathematics Education, English Educations, and Physical Education. Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia believes that education is the key to the advancements of a nation. Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia commits to produce and develop future leaders through the education of quality characters. This receives a very good reception and trust from the community, which is marked by an increasing interest in students from year to year. The students and lecturers have lots of achievements and awards. Also, our quality is recognized by National Accreditation Board for Higher Education and many international collaborations. Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia also prepares the students to face the globalization's era through the use of digital technology. Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia has a number of representative facilities provided to support the learning process, such as comfortable classroom, laboratories, information technology, and the internet. Our vision is to be an excellent university in Sumatra with international standard and able to play an active role in nation building through 3 pillars of higher educations, comprising educations, research, and community service. We have graduated outstanding students who can be accepted in state agencies and other large companies. At Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia, the students and lecturers are encouraged to create and innovate by creating products and services that benefit the community through research activities and community services. In an effort to achieve its visions and missions, the academics of Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia are guided by the organizational culture values of discipline, quality, creative, and innovative. To support the quality of learning processes, we have very complete and sophisticated facilities, including digital-based smart classroom, hotspot in campus area, sport facilities, auditorium, and students' hall. Come and be a part of us, the Campus of Champion, Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia.